at 20, we witnessed the union of two hearts now bound to love each other for life. For life itself is the most fascinating story to tell, the many ups and downs, twists and turns. But what makes it remarkable is that when love comes to the story. That is the reason behind why we are all gathered here to celebrate not just love but life in heaven is as well. And I'm sure, folks, you are all excited for what is offered here at El Azotea as a reception venue of PJ and Joseph's wedding reception. And without further ado, why don't you gear up yourselves and let's kick up this hour with the acknowledgement of the groom's parents. Isa pa siya mong palakpakan po para pa kanya Sir Dominador Vasquez and Mrs. Juneta Vasquez.
Patay tinaas.
We also have here the parents of the bride. Isa pa siya mong palakpakan po para kay Mr. Rafael Boligo and Mrs. Felisa Boligo.
Dinanay. Saan sila magpesto?
Our principal sponsor is starting off with Mr. Arnold Obien and Mrs. Marilita Obien. We also have here Mr. Erwin Nator. Coming up is Mr. Marino Nevaras and Mrs. Maricel Nevaras. Oh, diba? We also have here Mr. Victor Araceli and Mrs. Jello Araceli. Oh, sir. Oh. Coming up is Nino Biaco and Mrs. Emily Santiago. We also have here Mrs. Nora Herbonayo. We also have here with us Mrs. Marita Jacinto. Coming up is Mrs. Marilyn Parumao. Our secondary sponsor starting with our random sponsors, Mr. Marlon Reyes and Ms. Venus Villa Martin. Our veil sponsors, Mr. Luisito Abadiano and Ms. Princess Joy Tilang. Our court sponsors, Mr. Paul Ureba and Ms. Maria Aliza Vasquez. Our groomsmen and bridesmaids, we have Dan Joshua Lucena and Shira OBN. Lawrence Ortiz and Michelle Moringo. Robert Capistrano and Annabel Santos.
Stop, move. Forward the ball. The promise of love wouldn't be realized without the man who stands for making this sacred ceremony today to make happen. And it wouldn't be possible without the woman who man considered as the sharer of this heavenly love from God. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise and give our warmest welcome to the reason why we are all gathered here today. Magsitayo po tayong lahat. And let's give them a round of applause to Mr. and Mrs. BJ and Josie Vasquez. So then, ladies and gentlemen, isang masigabong palakpakan naman po tayo po sa ating bagong kasal. Ay, kalabaw. Ma, upo ka na.
It is said that a successful marriage involves 3 hearts becoming one. The hearts of the husband, the wife and God at the center. So let us give thanks to the one who made this all possible, the author of life, love, and relationships, our one through God. Ladies and gentlemen, magsitayo po tayong lahat para po sa ating panalangin, para po sa ating pagkain.
Tayo.
So all the